Welcome back to our channel. Hey guys, I'm Daisy here. We have previously introduced LCSIGN's comprehensive after-sales system, which is committed to creating the most perfect signage and providing the most suitable product solutions for every customer. However, due to uncontrollable factors, some customers have reported to us about the solution process related to product damage. So, today I will introduce to you the process of customer complaint feedback. Number 1. Send us pictures or videos. Tell us the problem and details. Number 2. We will analyze the problem and get back to you as soon as possible within 2 working days to let you know the result. Number 3, if it is confirmed that the problem is caused by us, we will reproduce the product with the same sign for you within the same production cycle. Please note that we will be arranging for you to remake the sign for the following events. So, number 1 is the broken exterior material. Number 2, the LED light and transformer does not work. Number 3, make the wrong size, color, letter, and style. Number 4, missing accessories. In addition to the special events mentioned above, the sign cannot be remade for the following events. Number 1, the customer provided an incorrect sign design file. Number 2, the customer provided the wrong size, color, letter, or style. Number 3, the customer connected the wire incorrectly, resulting in failure to use the product property. Number 4, man-made damage. Number 5, factors beyond the control, such as the product being blown down by the wind, resulting in surface damage. I believe you should have a deeper understanding for our after-sales related issues, and I hope that customers can be satisfied with LCSIGN signed products. If the sign is unfortunately damaged, don't worry. First determine your situation and then contact us for consultation. Wishing you a happy purchasing experience in LCSIGN. Follow LCSIGN for more. See you guys next time.